Good morning, Charlie. We're here to talk about I'm going to be your mentor this year, and so I want to go over a couple of documents with you. First thing, I want to just congratulate you. I pulled your grades off of LC, and you're doing extremely well in all of your classes. Are you only taking 6 classes, or do you have one teacher on a Jupiter? I think you've had a good start. The thing that you always struggle with is the consistency throughout the year. I think you're focused right now because of football. Yeah. So let's go over some data from previously. I filled out this. So overall you have a 1.68 GPA, but last year in the 4th advisory you had a 2.08. So again, much better than the overall. We just need to continue to work on this to get that up. Yeah. You're not special education or ELL. You didn't have any suspensions last year that I can remember. This is your 3rd year in high school. You've earned 14 credits and you need 10 to graduate. You earn proficiency on both the DC CAS math and reading, which is good. Your SRI score is 1363. That's last year's score. That's a freshman in college. All right, so the mentoring incentive plan is broken up bi-weekly, per advisory, and year. You can earn points to earn different awards. Okay. So every 2 weeks we're going to meet and I'm going to look at your Edline grades. You're going to get 4 points for every A that you earn, 3 points for every B, 2 points for a C, 1 point for a D. Okay. And positive behaviors. If you have 0 tardies and no unexcused absences, you get another 4 points. Okay. If you have 1 tardy, and tardy means late to school. Yeah. And or 1 unexcused absence, you get 3. 2 late to schools, or a combination of 1 late to school and 1 absence, then it's a 2. Okay. And if you have 3 tardies or late to school or unexcused absences, then it's a 1. But you can earn, if a teacher emails me during those 2 weeks, you can earn a bonus point up to 3 points.
Positive email?
Yes, positive email.
Okay.
So if you earn 16 to 22 points, you can pick between getting 5 snacks, and I'm assuming that you get them all, I don't know, or a slice of pizza after school. Okay. If you have 23 or more, then you can get an off-campus lunch pass for 1 day, and that's for sophomores and juniors only. Okay. Or an athletic game pass, or if it's in the spring, I'll buy you lunch from one of the restaurants.
All right, that's cool.
Okay. Per advisory, if you have a GPA of 3.0 to 4, you get 25 points. Okay. 15 points for a 2.0 to 3. And or increase your GPA by 0.5, and or if you have less than 3 unexcused absences. Okay, and then we come over here, and if you have between 25 and 39 points, you either get a movie pass, and if you have about 40, you can get some type of Wilson gear like a hat, T-shirt, shirt, or a 1-month Metro car fare at cost. Okay, and then yearly. And then we add up all these points and these points and these points at the end of the year to see. So if you have between 312 and 336, it's a $35 gift card. 357 to 401, $50 gift card. 402 to 446, a yearbook or a graphing calculator. 475 to 491, an MP3 docking station or the Beats headphones, which is worth about $100 to $150. And if you have over 492 or above, then you'll get an iPad mini. Okay? So we'll monitor that throughout the year. Okay, this is the template for your Scholar Success Blueprint. I put 2 goals up there. I wanted to know if you think they're reasonable. Earn a 3.0 per advisory, and will not be late to school more than 3 times per advisory. Okay. So there's a couple action steps I already filled out. The first thing I'm going to do is notify all your teachers and just let them know I'm working with you this year, and that if you're doing something good, I want them to email me to let me know that. If you're struggling with something, I want them to know that so I know what support you need. So I'm responsible, and I'll do that. I'll email them by the end of today. So that needs to be October 2nd. So I
usually go to my teacher's study hall for football.
Okay. So that's an action step. You're attending study hall for football?
Yeah.
How often are you doing that?
It's like usually every day, but this week we had practice before study hall, so we didn't go this week except for on
Okay.
Monday.
And let's see, I'm going to say that you're responsible, and I'm going to put Coach Mark's responsible. We're going to meet once every 2 weeks to discuss your grades in class and your attendance. I'll give you a printout of your grades and the attendance and see what's going on there. So you and I are responsible. By when it's ongoing, resources needed, none. I need for you to monitor. I need for you to check your headline twice a week.
Okay.
You're responsible, ongoing, and you need a computer.